Hey everybody, it's Caroline Griffin doing Epipearls1. I wanted to talk about the study we read. This is a cross-sectional study, and the purpose was to describe the association between self-reported chronic disease and the prevalence of adults who meet the aerobic physical activity guidelines. Down here is the guidelines outlined. The findings were that 50.1% of the population did report sufficient volumes of aerobic exercise, with men reporting slightly more than women. The 5 chronic diseases associated with the lowest prevalence of sufficient exercise were MI, diabetes, kidney disease, stroke, and COPD. The prevalence of sufficient volume of aerobic exercise was lower for each chronic disease. The strengths of the study is that it was a large sample size, and the sampling design did take into account the representation of the intended population by using these methods: stratification, clustering, and oversampling. And the weaknesses were that self-reporting of the data is a risk of under and over-reporting, and it is unclear on whether results can be generalized to a larger population. Here's the reference, and thank you for listening.